Welcome to Magic Trick Central. Today we'll be learning how to use a blanket. Swoosh. That is not how you use a blanket. Another way to use a blanket and to not use a blanket. Yeah, don't do this. What you have to do is disappear with it. Watch me disappear. As you have seen, I have disappeared successfully. You cannot see me. I am standing. What is got in my mouth? I don't know what just got in my mouth.